Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best jumbo slime is probably one of the most satisfying and versatile sensory toys available today, offering endless hours of fun for kids and adults alike with its stretchy, squishy, and moldable texture that can be stretched, poked, and squeezed in countless ways, making it a perfect stress reliever and a creative outlet for imaginative play, whether you're looking for a calming activity or a way to explore different textures and colors. Number 5. Original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. Embark on a cosmic adventure with this slime-making kit, ideal for kids aged 8 to 12. Create mesmerizing galactic designs with included glow-in-the-dark stars. Discover the joy of crafting with glittery pink, purple, and blue slimes. This kit offers a variety of vibrant add-ins for endless fun. Foster creativity and imaginative play with this glow-in-the-dark slime kit. It provides essential supplies for hours of entertainment and crafting sparkling mementos. This slime kit is an excellent choice for gifts for kids aged 10 to 12. It offers engaging activities and creative exploration, serving as a cherished memento. This make-your-own slime kit includes everything needed for a fun and creative experience. It's perfect for those who enjoy vibrant crafting experiences. What we like. If you love space and all things cosmic, this is the slime for you. It comes with glow-in-the-dark elements and glittery colors to create mesmerizing galactic designs. If you're looking for a slime kit that sparks imagination and offers a unique crafting experience, this is a stellar choice. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out. It comes with a lot of add-ins like glitter and foam balls. The colors are vibrant and it smells good. Number 4. FunKidz 4LB Huge Glassy Clear Slime Bucket Toy. Introducing a massive 2,000 milliliters of pre-made water slime, conveniently packed in a large bucket with a handle. It's perfect for on-the-go fun, whether you're traveling, camping, or heading to a party. This generous pack comes with 29 sets of slime-making supplies, allowing you to create a multitude of unique textures. Imagine sand slime, glitter slime, cloud snow slime, and so much more. Get ready for an amazing play experience. Mix and match the included add-ins to craft your very own signature slime creations. The possibilities are endless. Don't let your fun dry out. This reusable slime kit includes 5 airtight containers. Simply store your creations when you're done playing to keep them perfectly moist. Looking for an exciting gift? This jumbo slime kit is ideal for kids aged 6 to 12 plus. It's a fantastic present for birthdays, parties, holidays, or just a fun weekend activity. Encourage your child's creativity with this educational toy. DIY slime crafts help develop color recognition and hand-eye coordination, making learning fun and engaging. Discover various ways to play. Easily make giant bubbles, enjoy satisfying squishy sounds, and create beautiful crystal slime with all the provided supplies. It's hours of entertainment for everyone. What we like. For those who want a massive amount of slime ready to go, this huge bucket is perfect. It's pre-made clear slime with a vast array of add-ins, offering endless customization possibilities. If you're planning a party or just want a large, versatile slime supply for lots of creative mixing, this is the ultimate pack. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out. It comes with a lot of add-ins like glitter and foam balls. The colors are vibrant and the texture is really satisfying to play with. Number 3. 6-pack Pink Slime Kit for Girls. Discover a world of tactile fun with our slime kit, perfect for kids aged 4 to 12. It's packed with various textures and colors for endless creative play. Experience the unique sensations of cloud, butter, clear, and water slimes. Each offers a distinct texture for a captivating sensory adventure. Crafted with safe, premium materials, our slime ensures a secure and delightful playtime for your children. Enjoy peace of mind while they explore and create. This set is designed to ignite your child's imagination. They can mold, shape, and build, fostering creativity and cognitive development through play. Ideal for party favors, goodie bags, or as a special gift, it's a hit for birthdays, Christmas, and any festive occasion. Bring joy and excitement to any celebration. This kit includes delightful charms, colorful add-ins, glitter, and foam balls to enhance the slime experience. It's a complete package for creative fun. What we like. If you appreciate a variety of slime textures and enjoy sensory play, this kit is a fantastic option. It offers cloud, butter, clear, and water slimes, all with pleasant scents and a non-sticky feel. For anyone looking for a delightful and safe sensory experience with multiple slime types, this is a great pick. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to hands. The colors are vibrant and it comes with fun add-ins like glitter and foam balls. It has a pleasant, mild scent that isn't overpowering. Number 2. MiVRIU Jumbo 50-Pack Glow-in-the-Dark Slime. Get ready for hours of mesmerizing fun with this jumbo pack of glow-in-the-dark slime. It's the perfect party favor or goodie bag stuffer for kids and adults. This pack includes 50 mini slimes in multiple colors that glow in the dark. Its soft and stretchy texture is perfect for stress relief and sensory play. Add a touch of magic to your celebrations with this must-have glow-in-the-dark slime. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors that glow in the dark. Safety is our top priority. This slime is made with non-toxic materials, making it safe for children to use and mold into unique shapes. The crystal clear slime is perfect for creating a galaxy-themed party or adding sparkle to your decorations. Let the fun begin. It's soft, stretchy, and comes in multiple colors that glow in the dark. This mesmerizing slime is perfect for all ages and guaranteed to captivate. What we like. When you need a large quantity of slime for a party or event, this jumbo pack is ideal. Each slime glows in the dark, making it perfect for goodie bags or creating a magical atmosphere. If you're looking for an affordable and exciting party favor that kids will love, this is a glowing success. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out quickly. It comes with a lot of add-ins like glitter and foam balls, making it fun to customize. The texture is really satisfying, not too sticky and easy to handle. Number 1. Original Stationery Unicorn Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Kit. Embark on a creative journey with this magical slime kit. It's designed for girls aged 7 and up and includes over 25 exciting add-ins for endless possibilities. Engage your child's senses with this fun slime. It enhances focus and motor skills while encouraging hands-on learning and imaginative play. Illuminate any gathering with this amazing glow-in-the-dark slime. It's perfect for parties and creative projects, sparking imagination in young creators. Elevate playdates or birthday celebrations with this versatile kit. It encourages teamwork as children craft unique slimes together. Delight young creators with this perfect gift for birthdays or special occasions. It offers an engaging experience that sparks joy and imagination. What we like. This kit is perfect for anyone who adores unicorns and loves a touch of magic. It features glow-in-the-dark elements and over 25 mix-ins for endless creative possibilities. If you're searching for a delightful and imaginative slime-making experience that sparks creativity, this unicorn-themed set is a dream come true. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out easily, making it great for extended play sessions. The texture is smooth and satisfying, and it holds its shape well when molded into different forms. It comes in vibrant, appealing colors that are true to the product images, adding to the visual fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.